yo, who the ya? Big Black Matic 𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Black Tedder. Yeah! What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came back with another reaction. Yeah. How you guys doing? We're here with Abra Cadabra, somebody's son. Big up Pressplay. We're not wasting time. We're gonna press play. Get it? Double rhyme. Man's double rhyming out here, fam. You know what I mean? Alright, let's go.
So, you know, it be in the building, 7 shit. Oh, well.
It's been a hot minute since me hear a song from AB. And all them sang them like well. Let's go.
Go and get right, get left, and get stripped through the drillers 10 times, you know.
Yeah, that.
F-Suck.
We got the whole FB gang in that one.
Wear your vest, cuz.
Wear your vest.
You know. Sure. Yeah. Hey, who's that? Pass me the smoke, let me who's that? Big Ram busy by my side, fuck his Canada goose, man, rip right through that.
Man say, who's that? Pass me the smoke, man, who's that? When the man in the UK smoke, or the people in the UK, Tools mean, yo, you see me? So him say, who that? Pass me the smoke, man, who's that? You think of this him attack? You think of the cigarette him attack? No, that's how him attack. So pass me the smoke, man, who's that? Like, me like the play upon her.
No.
Big up Abra.
Yeah. Hey, who's that? Pass me the smoke, let me who's that? Big Ram busy by my side, fuck his Canada goose, man, rip right through that. But when I swing my blade on the main, got civilians shocked, all eyes on me like Tupac. He try run, but he wouldn't get far, and I need that. Caught up and crashed that quick, send that to the gulag.
Once all eyes on him like Tupac, then him carry on and him say, park up and crash that. Yo, I send that to the gulag. Gulag in a Call of Duty. Modern Warfare, when you're dead, you have a chance to come back to the game. So I'm sending a gulag.
Like he try run, but he wouldn't get far, and I need that. Caught up and crashed that quick, send that to the gulag. Yeah. I could've never been a punk on my block if I was. You can tell from my aura. I can never be wet like somebody's daughter. Shit goes left when I swing my bora.
I could never be wet like somebody's daughter. Shit goes left when I sing. Yo, Abra, chill, calm down, bro. Me know, say, you know, jump in a third gear, you know, brother. A second gear, you know. So the intro was first gear, then him jump in it, so that's a second gear automatically. So you don't know, say, him a go spin the coupe in the third gear, fourth gear, and him a go reach a fifth. I bet him reach a fifth.
Tried this man couple years back when I see him in the yard, something got tore up. He must have put the pass for the pass when I saw him, cause he froze up. I don't know what he thought, cuz. No. Mind yourself when you see my ones, we don't sleep on vials, fuck bygones. You don't have no strap, better go buy one, better go high one, cause I got my one.
Man, tell you straight, brother. You keep yourself protected, cause I'm protected. I'm not a condom. I have my strap, so I better go buy one. Go invest your money in our strap. Cause anyone me see you, it on. That's how the boss has set you. He's giving you a warning, brother. He might give you a warning. Go buy your strap. You're gonna need one. You're gonna need one. Long time I know you don't know from Abra now. Big up Abra. I'm glad he's back.
Don't tell me that you got bear guns when they're catching dust. Little man better go sky some. How you beat one corn, better go buy some. We don't street fight round there. Fuck bison.
We're not street fighter around here. Fuck bison. Bison are the character. We're not street fighter. Man, so we're not street fighter around here. Fuck
man better go sky some. How you beat one corn, better go buy some. We don't street fight round there. Fuck bison. I'm on our block and I'm locked and loaded. Tryna bun somebody's son. One day nearly head top somebody's son. Then blowing back and whack somebody's son.
Jesus Christ. Third gear, mate. The chorus. Man, they are chorus with third gear, dog. Yeah, just got somebody's son. Yo, Abra different, brother. Abra just different. Abra just a genius, dog. Abra is so distinctive, you can tell Abra that from a mile away. Abra is just different, brother, from the average. Big up the whole OFB man them too, you know. Big up on the 7Gs.
One corn better go buy some. We don't street fight round there. Fuck bison. I'm on our block and I'm locked and loaded. Tryna bun somebody's son. One day nearly head top somebody's son. Then blowing back and whack somebody's son. Before I ever put a weapon on a block, I used to go around there and beat somebody's gun. Man, do it like go put a hole in one. One shot, put a hole in a pound. I'm on our block and I'm locked and loaded. Tryna bun somebody's son. One day nearly head top somebody's son. Then blowing back and whack somebody's son.
I'm glad say him knows you're somebody's son. I'm glad say him knows you're somebody's son. Him out there try kill. But him not give a fuck. Him not care. Him say me not give a fuck. I'm not a bedroom. No man outside. The one outside I look for somebody, son. Try not make it be you. The person where Abra look for, try don't make it be you. Cause if Abra hold you go cook, you get to the duck get. Fuck. Yo!
Before I ever put a weapon on block, I used to go around there and beat somebody's gun. Man, do it like go put a hole in one. Gunshot, put a hole in a pan.
Man said, man do it like golf and put a hole in one.
Fuck a fist fighting, I Mike Tyson, 9 fist fighting. Right to my shank, I'm a real Viking. Somebody gonna leak if I swing my thing. Tree slap that I gave him, they slid right in. You can never try to fit these shoes I'm in. No cap, many thing crash like lightning. Swing my shank like samurai Jack Dyson. Who's next? Someone tell me who's next. Who's next? Gangster to the right, on my left. When I'm doing jiggy jiggy, let me do my jiggy jiggy. You don't wanna disturb me, you could get quiet. You don't want.
When I swing my thing to the left, to the right. No. It's a gangster to my left, to my right. When I swing my, yo. Yeah, alright.
Many thing crash like lightning. Swing my shank like samurai Jack Dyson. Who's next? Someone tell me who's next. Who's next? Gangster to the right, on my left. When I'm doing jiggy jiggy, let me do my jiggy jiggy. You don't wanna disturb me, you could get quiet. You don't wanna give chat and not back that. Cause we pulling up pronto, you hear back. We don't bring no phones when we go slap that. Them pricks they ride out on Snapchat.
I like how him say that when I bring no phone one time we go up on apps. The phone I got track, the cell tower them I got track your smartphone, which part it there. So if it do go a court, your phone I got send it a prison. Man said them fool it only ride out on Snapchat. Them only post them badness on Snapchat. Snapchat badness and street badness are two different badness. Try to know that. Social media really living that. Come out tight. Yeah, somebody's son, know yourself.
Need in my lungs every day, man, bill it up. Star dogs killing us, up block, drill it up. Big hand things on my block, man, fill it up. Anything I see round there, man, lift it up. If it ain't a 4-4 long and it's 10 that I slap from the 9, then it's 6 he's picking up. 5 in touch, no get back, give it up. How is he bad when a man them hit him up?
Abra ad-libs them just different. Sorry. Abra ad-libs them just different. Like, in different them so... In difference, them just bring off the song perfectly, dog.
I'm on our block and I'm locked and loaded, tryna bun somebody's son. One day nearly head top somebody's son, then going back and whack somebody's son. Before I ever put a weapon on block, I used to go around there and beat somebody's son. Man, do it like go put a hole in one. Gunshot, put a hole in a pan. I'm on our block and I'm locked and loaded, tryna bun somebody's son. One day nearly head top somebody's son, then going back and whack somebody's son. Before I ever put a weapon on block, I used to go around there and beat somebody's gun. Man, do it like go put a hole in one. Gunshot, put a hole in a pan.
H1K made this.
H1K, bro, big up. Alright. Somebody's son bad. Love somebody's son. But we all know Abra always drop a video, like a sneak peek at the next song we have found. Let me hear it. I just know it's something's found in.
Shot. No. They being a building 7 shit.
made this.
Oh, wait, no, wait, get right, get left, and get stretched through the drillers 10 times. No. Yeah. It's an F's up or get a chest up there, your vest, cuz. Type of settings.
Hyper.
No.
No?
Yeah. Full up blocks, friends, Persian, lurking, spin it and burn.
No, Abra, where you do that? What? Brother, where you do that a while ago? Not even 10 more seconds, brother? 5 more seconds? 2 more seconds? Abra, you shouldn't do that, brother. My God, Abra, you can't tease people like that, man. You can't do that, brother. That is disgusting behavior, Abra. Pick up yourself, you have a G. Yo, it's like bad, brother. Somebody's son sick, and the next one we have found I got sick too. Abra, you're just different, brother. Me not have much to say. You don't know how me feel about you, man, G. Yeah, brother, you think loud, brother. You think loud. Pick up your bumper clot self. Somebody's son. Abra always deliver. Abra always deliver. Guys, pick up on yourself, and I'm going to see you in the next one. You hear that? Somebody's son.